Well, welcome back, guys. Yesterday I had the opportunity to go fishing in the off of St. Pete offshore, fishing with Richard, Suzanne, and a friend of mine named Gary, and we caught a Spanish mackerel. And I wanna most of the time when you cook this, it tastes real strong, fishy taste. And some people even think it's a junk fish, but I'm gonna try to make a fish dip out of it. So I'm gonna clean all these fish. We caught a grouper. I caught the grouper too, and Lane, vermilions, and look at the bait fish still hanging out of his mouth, and mangrove snapper. Richard caught that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean these up, and we're gonna go back in the house, and we're gonna make some fish dip using this mackerel. I might use a couple of vermilion snapper in the fish dip too, but stay tuned. Don't feel like no grouper though.
You got another mackerel?
I feel like a snapper.
Maybe Al caught our first keeper red snapper of the day. Let's see.
I hope so.
There he is down there. No, he's a grouper.
He's a grouper. He ain't big enough.
I would measure him first, Al.
Yeah.
He's got a grouper.
Over here. Deeper.
It's probably maybe closer than yours. Oh.
Get him up. Get him up. He's coming. Pull it. I need to get in that. Look at that gag. Red. Red. Oh, Spanish mackerel. How long you gotta be? Huh? Oh, another vermilion.
16.5. Maybe. Actually, I think 19.
That's a little.
Not even 19.
Ah.
No. You got a. Uh-oh. Al's got something on. Hold on. I just got a film. Gary's up first. You think you need the net? Let's take the boat. Yeah. Al's got something on too.
Yeah, I got something.
Big Al. Oh, nice grouper. He's maybe 20. Al's got on a trigger fish.
It's out of season.
I think they're, dang, that's a big trigger. Holy moly.
He fucked too.
Trigger fishes are fighters.
All right, I wanted to lower a GoPro down in the water to see what was taking our, was cutting our line. And sure enough, when my GoPro hit the bottom there, you could see a shark come by. And we were like about 110 foot of water here. And I guess there was a lot of sharks. We was having our bait taken from us and our fish and having our lines cut, so. All right, here's the fillets of the Spanish mackerel right here. I'm gonna smoke them. And all I'm using is kosher salt, about a half a cup of kosher salt, half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar. So here's. Leave it in there you're supposed to leave it in there for 12 hours, but I'm only going to do it for 6 hours. There it is. All right, I took it out of the brine, and I'm letting it dry. I'm supposed to let it dry till it gets sticky, but it's already about there. It's already kind of sticky. Then we'll put it on the grill. All right, we're gonna smoke the fish on Boss. It's a pellet grill. Call it Boss, but call it Pit Boss. I'll put that joker in. Something to keep it from sticking. Over up. Come back in about 2 hours. We got it set on 200, but around 175 to 200 is where you want it. All right, I know I'm smoking Spanish mackerel fish dip, but I'm also gonna cook or bake some mangrove snapper and lane snapper. So I'm gonna put some lemon pepper on it. Put some Old Bay. Some on that side too. And put some garlic salt. I'm going to stuff it with some, well, first of all, I'm going to put some of this herbs in it. And I got this pesto I want to put in it. Let me get it. I'm just gonna rub it all in. Just like that. Peppers. Just stick it in as best you can. Tomatoes. Or get some acid in there. I'll put some Pinot in it. Just a little bit. There you go. Stick some butter on it. We'll Oh, that butter gonna be good now. That's what we got right there, guys. I'll put that in the oven at 450. Spanish mackerel should be done in about an hour, and then this should be done in about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So see you back in the kitchen. 2.5 hours, so we're getting ready to check it right now. Oh, that looks good right there. And it looks like it's ready to go right now. I can pull it off here in about 15 minutes. Looking good. Alright guys, I just got it off the smoker. We're gonna add lemon juice, spinach, mayo, sour cream, and whisker sauce. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. I could eat this just like this. Alright, we're gonna chop it up real quick. Top on. Spinach. That's a lot of fish, ain't it? Put some spinach in there, some mayonnaise. And then we're gonna put some sour cream in there. Let's try it again. Oh, whisker sauce, yes. Put the lid back in. It'll work this time. So it pull some of the skin back. Get out. It smells so good. Oh wow, that's good. That's real good. Yeah, that's the cat's meow right there. But you can taste all the pesto and all that stuff, all the herbs and then all that stuff in there. You can really taste this really good. Wow. Let me taste the dip. I already tasted it once. I'm gonna taste it again. That's the Spanish mackerel dip right here. That's awesome. That's awesome.